This is ChatGPT app. I'm sure you've seen it. And this is the same thing recreated as a website in about just 10 minutes. Same layout, same flow, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. If you're building a product, you've probably been here before. You see an interface you like, you want to just tweak it, extend it, experiment with it, and suddenly you're deep in Figma questioning your life choices. Which is a bit mad because the interface already exists. So instead of rebuilding things manually, I start from something real. Let me show you how to do it. Go to the website record2code.com, upload the screen recording, and then the magic happens. This website analyzes the video and recreates the same flow on the web. So you don't have to do any front-end development work here. Just have a tea, wait for 5 minutes, and it's going to be ready. Oops, it's ready now. Well, as you can see, it put the screen on the left side, and I want it to be in the middle. So let me go ahead and ask that. Cool. Now let's just go through the screens and make sure it looks the same as the original app. Here you can see that you can enter your details the same way the iOS allows you to do that. Even the ChatGPT icon, answering the questions, showing the demo, everything is here, even the placeholder for your images. And you can obviously ask the question here. It doesn't have any backend. But the nice thing about that is that you can have the source code. Just go ahead and download the source code. And you can even open it in your browser. It will still work. But also you can continue working on that. For example, in Cursor or any other IDE you like. And add the backend, add the actual ChatGPT API key, and you'll have a ready to go app. Basically, it does the boring part for me because whenever I do the front-end work, I find it so frustrating and manual. I don't know what you guys think. If you're a founder, if you're building a product, if you need to iterate fast, then I think this is an amazing starting point. You don't need to hire a front-end developer. You can just use something that already exists. So try it for yourself, go to record2code.com, upload your video and see the magic. Let me know in the comments what kind of use cases you would use that for, and see you in the next video.